There's no secret to what hay producers want in a trailed mower: durability in the field, premium cut quality, and ease of maintenance. That's where Vermeer mid-sized trailed mowers hit the sweet spot in terms of features and capabilities. Choose from 3 mid-sized models with cutting widths ranging from 10.5 feet to 13.5 feet. The TM105, the TM120, and the TM135. Vermeer mid-sized trailed mowers consistently deliver a clean cut acre after acre, and they're built with durability in mind to help you stay in the field. Convenient maintenance also helps you maximize the life of the mower. Although we call them mid-size mowers, rest assured you have more than enough cutting width to finish fields in short order. There are common benefits across the series that set these Vermeer mid-size trailed mowers apart from the competition. Maximize productivity and minimize maintenance time with the Q3 cutter bar, a heavy-duty modular shaft-driven cutter bar that comes with 3-year coverage. Checking oil on the cutter bar is quick and convenient. The same can be said about replacing key components with 2 features designed for quick maintenance: the Quick Clip Blade Retention System and Quick Change Shear Ring. Both are designed to get you back out and mowing in the field. Suspension is important when it comes to getting a consistent cut. A nitrogen-charged hydraulic suspension system optimizes ground pressure for a clean cut across the field. For varying field conditions, you can make quick, tool-less suspension adjustments, so you can control the way you cut. Mow in all tongue positions with a swivel gearbox on the drawbar. With this key component, you can hydraulically adjust the mower and keep it running even when making tight turns. You'll realize full control comes with a swivel. Of course, the frame is the backbone of any trailed mower, and these 3 mowers are equipped with one of the most robust frames in the field. Durable components are ready to withstand varying field conditions for years to come. You'll see this frame is almost as tough as you are. Speaking of tough, the task of greasing drive lines now takes less time, with a greaseless vertical drive line that goes down to the cutter bar and minimizes the number of grease points you need to address during maintenance. Durability in the field, convenient maintenance, premium cut quality. These are Vermeer mid-sized trailed mowers, and there's one to fit your operation to a T.